String succulents are beautiful trailing plants that add charm and greenery to indoor spaces. Their cascading vines and unique leaf shapes make them perfect for hanging baskets, creating a stylish and natural look. Easy to care for and versatile, they thrive in bright indoor environments for modern homes and apartments. Let's explore the best indoor string succulents for hanging basket. String of Pearls. Curio Rolleinus. This succulent brings a playful, sculptural feel to indoor spaces with its trailing strings of tiny green spheres. Instead of growing upright, it spills gracefully over hanging baskets and shelves, creating a living curtain of beads. Each pearl stores water, helping the plant handle occasional neglect. It prefers bright light near a window and airy, fast-draining soil. Overwatering is the only real danger, so keep it on the drier side. As it matures, the strands become longer and fuller, making it a striking focal point for modern interiors and cozy plant corners alike. String of Turtles. Peperomia prostrata is a charming miniature trailing plant loved for its tiny, round leaves patterned like turtle shells. Perfect for indoor hanging baskets or small pots, it grows slowly and stays compact, making it ideal for desks and shelves. It prefers bright, indirect light and slightly moist, well-draining soil. Unlike many succulents, it enjoys a bit more humidity, so occasional misting helps. Its delicate vines gently cascade as it matures, creating a soft, decorative look. This plant adds a unique texture and is perfect for those who love small, detailed foliage indoors. String of Bananas. Curio radicans. It adds a lively, flowing vibe to indoor spaces with its trailing strands of plump, curved leaves. The foliage naturally points upward along the vine, giving it a slightly fuller look than other string succulents. It enjoys a bright spot near a window and appreciates a dry down between watering, making it quite easygoing. As it grows, the vines extend quickly, draping over baskets and shelves in soft layers. Its relaxed growth habit and quirky leaf shape make it a great choice for adding movement and character to modern indoor plant displays. String of Buttons. Crassula perforata. This succulent offers a bold, geometric look with its neatly stacked leaves forming a twisting column along the stem. Each leaf pair sits perfectly on top of the next, creating a layered, almost architectural pattern. In bright light, the edges blush with soft pink tones, adding extra charm. It works beautifully in hanging baskets where stems can gently spill over, or in pots where it grows upright. This plant prefers plenty of light, minimal watering, and airy soil. Its structured yet playful appearance makes it a standout piece in any indoor plant collection. String of Coins. Xerosisios dangui. This succulent stands out with its smooth, circular leaves that resemble polished green coins arranged along trailing vines. The plant has a calm, balanced rhythm in its growth, slowly extending outward while keeping a neat and structured appearance. It adapts well to indoor environments, especially in bright filtered light where its glossy foliage shines. The stems can hang elegantly from baskets or be trained along supports for a decorative effect. Requiring minimal care, it prefers dry conditions and well-draining soil. Its simple yet striking form makes it a refined choice for modern indoor greenery. String of Stars. Crassula rupestris is a compact trailing succulent admired for its tightly stacked leaves shaped like tiny geometric stars. The foliage grows in spiraling clusters along thin stems, creating a dense, decorative cascade over time. In strong light, the edges of each leaf often develop pink or reddish tones, adding contrast to its green structure. It performs well in bright indoor spots with good airflow and requires minimal watering due to its water-storing leaves. When grown in hanging baskets, it forms a textured, layered curtain that brings a crisp, architectural beauty to indoor plant displays. String of Dolphins. Curio peregrinus is a playful trailing succulent famous for its leaves that resemble tiny jumping dolphins along slender green vines. Each leaf has a curved shape with a small fin-like detail, creating a whimsical ocean-inspired look. It grows best in bright, indirect light where the unusual leaf form becomes more defined. This plant prefers well-draining soil and infrequent watering, as its fleshy stems store moisture efficiently. In hanging baskets, the vines cascade gracefully, giving a sense of movement like a flowing underwater scene. It's a unique choice for adding character and charm to indoor plant collections. String of watermelons. Curio herinus is a decorative trailing succulent admired for its plump, oval leaves marked with subtle stripping that resembles miniature watermelons. The vines grow thin and flexible, allowing them to spill beautifully from hanging baskets or cascade over shelves. Its foliage stores water, making it drought-tolerant and easy to maintain indoors. It thrives in bright, indirect light, where the leaf patterns become more noticeable and attractive. Well-draining soil and careful, infrequent watering are essential for healthy growth. This plant adds a fresh, playful touch to indoor spaces with its soft trailing form and unique patterned leaves. String of hearts. Ceropegia woodii is a graceful trailing plant loved for its delicate vines and heart-shaped leaves patterned in soft green, silver, and sometimes purple tones underneath. It grows in long, thin strands that cascade beautifully from hanging baskets, creating a romantic, airy effect indoors. The plant stores water in small tubers along its roots and stems, making it fairly drought-tolerant. It prefers bright, indirect light, which enhances its leaf coloration and compact growth. With minimal watering needs and a gentle trailing habit, it brings a light, elegant charm to shelves, windows, and cozy indoor corners. String of million hearts. Dischidia russifolia is a delicate trailing plant known for its countless tiny, heart-shaped leaves that grow densely along thin cascading stems. The foliage forms soft green curtains that spill beautifully from hanging baskets, creating a lush and romantic indoor look. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers a lightly moist but well-draining growing medium. Unlike typical succulents, it enjoys slightly more humidity, making it well-suited for kitchens or bright bathrooms. Its fine texture and continuous trailing habit give it an elegant, airy presence, adding gentle greenery and visual softness to compact indoor plant displays. String of needles. Hoya linearis is a graceful trailing plant known for its soft, slender, needle-like leaves that hang in long, flowing strands. Unlike bulky succulents, it creates a light, curtain-like effect that moves gently with air, giving indoor spaces a soft, airy feel. It prefers bright, indirect light and slightly humid conditions, making it more delicate in care compared to other string plants. Well-draining soil and careful watering help prevent root issues. When happy, it produces long cascading vines that can reach impressive lengths, making it a beautiful choice for hanging baskets and elevated indoor displays.